Craig from Sulcata Grove. I'm here with Valerie today, and we're going to be tasting the Bolt Mango. I know absolutely nothing about this one. I got a couple of these from Homestead last week, and it softened up here a little bit. It's got some anthracnose coming in, so I kind of want to go ahead and get into it. It's staying green, but it smells like it's probably ready to go. So I did have one of these earlier, and it was not good, so I'm hoping that this one is going to be better.
It's like no fiber.
It's got a good kind of a resinous smell to it, citrusy resinous.
Kind of smells like it might end up being off a little bit. It's a little bit good tasting.
It's still early to say. It's kind of got a green tinge to it. Well, it's a lot better than the one that I had earlier. The one I had earlier, Courtney said it tasted like Purell. This is better than that. It does have a fairly strong resinous flavor, but not overpoweringly. Citrusy.
It's like a mix between orange and a lemon.
Yeah, it's definitely got some orange and lemon tones to it. No fiber. It's not terribly sweet. It tastes more lemon juice than lemonade.
Yeah.
And maybe a little more like bottled lemon juice than fresh lemon juice.
Oh yeah.
It kind of has that more of that the lemon oil in it than just the lemon juice.
But it's a little bit like bad.
Yeah, that's
lemon.
The lemon juice in a bottle is not as good as fresh lemon. The lemon juice in a bottle, they also add lemon oil to it, which increases that resinous flavor. In this, it's a little higher than I like. Okay. Side A. Pretty nice, decent looking flesh. Tasted pretty good. Side B, jelly seed, which kind of goes back to that Purell flavor.
No, thank you.
She's rejected it twice.
You just shivered all over, like, and you're very poor.
It's not that bad.
It was just unexpected.
Yeah, well, it's not that bad.
No. I'm not sure. I'm not sure Purell is the right flavor. The last one was worse. This one,
Floor cleaner?
I was gonna go with Lemon Pledge.
Yeah.
You know, you left the fruit out, and the maid came and sprayed a bunch of Lemon Pledge while she was doing the table. And it's soaked in. It's not just on the surface. It's soaked in.
Oh, we don't even have a maid.
Oh yeah, but if we did, maybe we also don't own any Lemon Pledge, but maybe if we had a maid, then we could get some. Anyway, not good. Obviously, one side's different from the other on this one, so it may not be cultivar issue. It may just be this particular fruit. Maybe it's gotten too, like the jelly seed usually affects more of the texture than the flavor, but it's really tart. It's very lemon oily flavored, and it doesn't look like the anthracnose hasn't gotten into the flesh there, so I don't think that's the issue. Maybe they're better. This one's terrible. The last one was terrible. So Bolt's not going to be on my top 10 list anytime soon. I mean, this is like I'd give it a 3 because the one side actually wasn't bad, but yeah, I'm not sure. Picked too early. A lot of times when they are picked too early, they have that really, really strong lemony flavor. So maybe these weren't picked right, but I didn't pick them. But who knows? Anyway, so that's Bolt. It's pretty low on my chart. You sure you don't want to taste some, Celeste?
I'm good, but thank you.
All right.
These I don't think, though, by the way, Mom, are from the same side that I was shivering from.
Yeah, they are actually, but that's nice try. I tried setting up.
I didn't think they were.
I think she was paying attention, but anyway, that's it for this one. Not a winner, but Maybe there's
Not
that.
the
If you
worst.
tried a bolt out there and it was good, let us know about it. I'd like to hear about it. But the two I've tried now are just, actually, I think Courtney did spit out the one this earlier today, and that's, we don't usually spit mango out, but she had to make a run for the trash can. So anyway, I'm gonna be generous and give it a 3 and hope that there's better ones out there. So thanks for watching. See you next time.
Pick the mango from the tree, and the mango down to me. Put the mango in a sack.